Hi friends, this video shows how to reset Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi related issues. First go to settings, tap on this settings app icon, then go down, then select general management, then go down, then select reset, then select reset network settings. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are facing issue with the Wi-Fi, you can just reset Wi-Fi settings. Tap on this reset settings button, then tap on this reset button. Okay, done. Network settings reset. This is safe. This won't delete any of your images or video. This is safe. So this way we can reset Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi related issues. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.